My name is Jacques Peltier. I'm an otolaryngologist or ear, nose, and throat doctor. My specialty is surgical and medical decision-making of problems in the ear, nose, and throat. What motivated me to go into otolaryngology was actually that I kind of liked everything in med school. So I liked being a surgeon, but I also liked the medical part of it. I liked knowing a lot, or almost everything about a certain field. I enjoy about my job taking care of kids the most. We do take care of adults, and I do love that, but having kids come in sick and leave and not sick is really gratifying for me. I've always had a special place in my heart for children. I try to provide for patients not only a cure when possible for the problems that they come to see me for, but I also try to provide them with information, educate them on what their problems are, how to solve them, and maybe how to prevent them in the future, and educate them on why things happen. I think if you talk to people and educate them about what's going on, they're able to deal with things a whole lot easier. Favorite way to spend a day off? A little exercise in the morning, preferably playing some tennis. A grocery shopping event where I cook something that night, because I am a little bit of an amateur cook, and cooking, and then maybe a movie. That'd be a perfect day. Best concert I've been to is I saw Pearl Jam at Jazz Fest. This was about 10 years ago. It was awesome. The weather was beautiful. It was sunny. I was just finishing a conference that I was supposed to be in New Orleans, but I was away from my family in Galveston. When my Galveston program flew me to a conference in New Orleans. We finished early, and my brother picked me up from Jazz Fest. We saw Pearl Jam, and they were awesome.